Hey guys, I got this Iseo padlock in the mail yesterday. Came from Italy. It's a pretty cool lock. I'm gonna try and pick it on camera. I got it earlier. It wasn't too difficult. Good. Bottom keyway tension. Here's the bitting on the key, by the way. It's not much. No, not much of a challenge. Okay, start in the front. Front's loose. Second's binding. Working my way to the back. There's the third or fourth pin. Just clicked. Come on. There it is. So, just the second, third, and fourth pin were all that really needed picking. So, thanks. Hope you enjoyed.